Kynar 740 PVDF Polyvinylidene Fluoride is a semi-crystalline thermoplastic fluoropolymer used in lining, structural, and wear applications. Key properties include a thermal operating range of -40 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, excellent chemical resistance, ULV0 flammability rating, high purity, UV and gamma radiation resistance, and offers FDA, NSF, and USP Class VI compliance. Common applications include components for chemical processing, fluid handling, medical device, and semiconductor. Parts made from Kynar 740 PVDF benefit from its unique combination of chemical resistance, high purity, numerous compliances, weatherability, and radiation resistance in demanding environments up to 300 degrees F. It is ideal for water and chemical contact applications in a wide range of industries, including chemical processing, pump, valve, oil and gas, semiconductor, and other industries.